Hello friends, welcome to Solid Edge Sheet Metals tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn Solid Edge bend command. Here we have bend command and we have one tab here of 300 mm by 150 by 1 mm thickness. Now we will use bend command on this tab. Click on bend. Now first step is to select face or plane to create a bend line. So I have selected top face. Now most important point is that we need to create a single line or segment. Here we have created two lines. Now we will try to close sketch. Here one error will pop up. Profile must contain only a single line or linear segment. So we will convert this into single line and delete this one. Now try to close sketch. Now we can use bend command. So second step is to select bend location. So we have selected this bend location. Third step is to select side to move. So we want to move right side. So arrow should be directed towards right and click OK. Now select direction to the upper side or lower side. Click OK. Now we have bend. To edit this angle, just click on this bend location and enter here angle. For example, 135 degrees and click OK. So we have 135 degree angle. If you want to change this line length or position, just click on this draw profile step and modify this sketch. So we will modify like this. Close sketch, select direction and profile to move. We can change profile to move as well. This will move now. Click OK and finish. Cancel. So this is bend command. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.